In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure email in Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set up sending, fine-tune frequency limits, tailor message defaults, and manage unsubscribe preferences so your emails are reliable, on-brand, and compliant. Start by logging into your Mautic account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings hub. Click it to open the settings menu, then choose configuration. This is where all the platform-level controls live and where we'll set up email properly. Inside configuration, select email settings. This page is organized into sections that control how messages are sent and how contacts experience your communications. Let's begin with mail send settings. Here you'll choose your mailer transport, like SMTP or a supported email service. Enter the server, port, encryption method, and authentication details provided by your email provider. Make sure you use the exact parameters they recommend. Mismatches are the most common cause of connection or deliverability problems. As a best practice, send from a domain you control and ensure your DNS includes SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records to boost inbox placement. If your provider offers a sandbox or test mode, that's a great way to confirm the connection before sending real campaigns. Next, review the default frequency rule. This safeguards the customer experience by limiting how often contacts receive messages. Set a sensible maximum, like a certain number of emails over a defined period, based on your audience and content cadence. If you send newsletters and automations, a conservative default helps prevent fatigue and unsubscribes. Think of this as a seatbelt for your messaging strategy. Tight enough to protect, flexible enough to allow timely communication. Now move to message settings. Here you'll define the default from name and email address as well as the reply to. Use a recognizable brand name and a monitored inbox so replies don't disappear. You can also set defaults for BCC or specific headers if needed. Keep the tone consistent with your brand voice, and remember that these defaults can be overridden at the individual email level when appropriate. Finally, open the unsubscribe settings. Decide whether you'll use a one-click unsubscribe or direct contacts to a preference center where they can reduce frequency or opt out of specific categories. Clear unsubscribe options aren't just good manners. They're essential for compliance and keep your sender reputation healthy. That's it. Configure your sender, set a thoughtful frequency limit, align your message defaults, and make unsubscribing straightforward. Once you've reviewed everything, apply your changes, and you're ready to send with confidence.